Alright, to take this hub apart, we gotta take all 6 of these 10 millimeters out, and then a spring and that will pop out, and then we will go to taking these off. But I've got to get the wheel spacer off first, so I gotta take this off so I can pry the wheel spacer off, because they don't make Tacoma wheel spacers that are glued for the lock and hub. If they do, somebody leave a comment because I would like to buy some instead of having these pressed up against the bolts. Now that I got the wheel spacer off, we're going to take the center out, which center bolt is a 10 also. So pull the center bolt out. Well, axle's broke, so take the center bolt out. Lay that to the side. Got to pull the hub off to get the C-clamp off. Fits. We'll know if it rounds off or not. Nope. Now you leave the nuts on because you got to beat the cone. So I got tired of messing around with wood trying to get the cone washers out. So I went and picked up some brass punches. They're about 50 bucks, but if it works, then it's well worth it to get these out instead of just messing around, wasting time trying to get this stuff done. I'd rather have the tools I need to get stuff done than to spend all day trying to figure out a way to make something work.
Punch is getting pretty mangled. I'm done bent it. Goodness. These were in there pretty hard. Pretty good. Goodness.
Don't lose your brass washers or cones or whatever you want to call them. After you slide that apart, there's a clip in here. Pull your clip off. That's why you gotta have the special pliers. There's no holes in it. After that's off, pull that little washer out. Now that that's off, you can take the 4 bolts out of the bottom of the ball joint.